Here I am out here doing a fresh overhaul on this 4.7 Dodge engine, 2000 model. Had everything put in it. Crankshaft, bearings, springs, everything. Just thought I'd show where I've got it tore down here. Make sure I covered up the holes there so nothing can get down in the intake ports there. It's been a job. But we're gonna make it. Had low oil pressure, so I tore back down, put a new crankshaft in and everything. Decided I'd put me a new manual oil pressure gauge in there. You can see the little line there it goes to. It goes back in there. New sensor. First time I put the new sensor in there, and the oil pressure sensor there. The cotton picking thing never did come up with no oil pressure. So I tore back down, took the crankshaft. I got me a new crankshaft there. It cost about $400, and all the gaskets and stuff again. New timing chain, guides, and all that stuff. Put a new water pump, put new lifters, fuel injectors, spark plugs, crank bearings, main bearings, rod bearings, lifters. Done a valve job. Actually, I like the old motor there, so that's the reason I went ahead and done a complete overhaul job on it there. But don't forget now, make sure you clean that strainer or put a new one in the oil pan down there. Figured out a new way to get to that thing. Make sure you do a good job of it. Everything's back to standard, rod and mains. New crankshaft. Fixing to put a new oil pump, a new power steering pump on there too. Got it there. Get a picture of it down here. That's the old power steering pump. I got a new one laying there in the truck. I'm going to put it on there too. Kind of like working on these old engines. It's not bad there. This is Adventures Begin Here. I'm Smokey Joe, 409. Rebuilt a lot of these engines. I would get into detail there on some of the stuff, but since it's all done there, I'll just play along here with it. Next time I do a video, I'll have that thing running, perhaps late this evening. Appreciate you guys. If you like me showing you content like this, give me a like, comment, and share. Appreciate it. Till the next